Let's face it, technology doesn't always make things better, and the travel industry is no exception. We all got suckered into this concept of booking our own travel online with only some pretty pictures to guide us. Then, when things went wrong, and they always seem to go wrong, we're stuck with a toll-free number and a call center worker who can never seem to give you that information to try and make things right. Need to change your room or extend your stay? Good luck with that. Miss your flight or lose your luggage? Please call back during our regular business hours. Does that sound right to you? Is this really what we should expect out of travel? Does living in a fast-paced, do-it-yourself, social media-driven society mean we should expect shoddy service and bum deals? We say no, because we believe in raising the bar and defying expectations. That the perfect vacation does exist, and it starts with honest-to-goodness, quality service. Introducing Luxevo, the evolution of travel. Delivering hundreds of vacations worldwide with one-on-one expert guidance from highly trained and traveled travel agents, meaning you'll never be left dissatisfied or frustrated with a bill and a busy signal ever again. Kiss your vacation frustrations goodbye at luxevoclub.com.